Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to manage task attachments on Asana, your complete guide for 2025. The first step is to open your Asana task. You'll see the task details pane on the right-hand side. This is where we'll be managing our attachments. The reason we do this is to ensure that all relevant files and documents are easily accessible within each particular task. Next up, you'll want to click on the paperclip icon near the top of the Task Details pane. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you options to attach files from your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, or OneDrive. This flexibility helps us because it means we can use whatever document storage platform we're most comfortable with. Once you've selected your file, Asana will begin uploading it to the task. Let me explain why this matters. Having the file directly attached to the task ensures that anyone who has access to the task can easily find and open the file, improving team efficiency and collaboration. Now that we've done that, you'll notice the file is displayed at the top of the Task Details pane under the Attachments section. If you want to remove an attachment, hover over it, click the three dots that appear, and select Delete Attachment. The reason we do this is to keep our tasks clean and organized, only keeping relevant files attached. Another important feature is the ability to comment on attachments. Click on the file you want to comment on, and a new screen will appear with a comment box on the right. This helps us because it allows us to have discussions about specific files right within Asana. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage task attachments on Asana. Remember, keeping your tasks organized with attachments can greatly improve your team's efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.